Just like in WinForm's counterpart, the ASPxTreeListControl allows you to create custom sorting rules that can be applied to nodes at runtime. In this video, you'll learn how to add code to implement custom sorting for a data-bound ASP.NET treelist control. I'll start with an ASP.NET application that has an ASPxTreeList control bound to an access data source. The access data source is bound to the departments table of the departments.mdb database. First, I run the application to demonstrate the default behavior. I expand all the nodes. Then, I click on the departments column of the tree list, and you can see that the nodes are sorted alphabetically in ascending or descending order. For the purpose of this demonstration, I would like to have the nodes be sorted based on their text length. I close Internet Explorer and return to Visual Studio. To apply custom sorting at runtime, I need to handle the custom node sort event of the treelist control. I select the treelist and create a new handler for the event. This event is raised when sorting is applied to a column and allows a custom sorting algorithm to be implemented. First, I'll import the system.collections namespace. Back inside the event handler, I'll use an if statement to check whether the column being sorted is the department column. If not, then code execution stops right here, preventing custom sorting to be applied to any other columns. Next, I'll set the handled property to true so that no default processing occurs for this event. When the custom node sort event is raised, two nodes are compared. The processed column is specified by the column property. The node 1 and node 2 property identify the node values within the column. For this, I create two string variables to hold the values of the nodes. Then I use another if statement to compare the lengths of the variables. If value 1 is longer than value 2, then the result property of the event is set to 1. This means that the first node should be positioned below the second node if data is sorted in ascending order. When data is sorted in descending order, the first node will be positioned above the second row. If value 1 is not longer than value 2, I'll use another statement to see if they're equal text length. In this case, the result property is set to the value returned by the comparer class. Since the nodes are equal, they will be arranged within the tree list according to their indexes in the data source. Finally, if none of the above conditions apply, the result property is set to -1, indicating that the first node should be positioned above the second node when data is sorted in ascending order, and vice versa if sorted in descending order. And I'm done. I run the application again to see the results. I'll expand all the nodes. Then, I'll click on the department column header to apply sorting to the tree list. You can see that the nodes are sorted by their text length in ascending order. For more information, please refer to the ASPxTreelist documentation. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.